If you want to start affiliate marketing on Pinterest in 2026, you've probably heard the same old outdated advice. You need a blog, you need thousands of followers, and it's going to take forever to see any real money. Let me be clear, that entire strategy is broken. That is not how the game is played anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you the modern, step-by-step strategy I would use to build a profitable Pinterest side hustle from scratch, without a website, and even if you're starting with 0 followers. You will get a free, no-fluff guide. We'll cover the exact tools and techniques you need, including how to use simple AI to seriously supercharge your workflow. By the end of this, you will have a complete blueprint to get started today. Let's do this. Part 1. The modern foundation. First things first, you have to stop thinking of Pinterest as just another social media app. It's not. Pinterest is a massive visual search engine. People don't come here to see what their friends are up to. They come with a purpose. They're here to plan, to get ideas, and most importantly, to shop. Get this, a huge number of weekly pinners have discovered a new brand or product on the platform. Research shows that nearly half of users view Pinterest as a place to shop. That's a level of buyer intent you just won't find on Instagram or TikTok. The business model is beautiful because it's so simple. I call it the 3-step pin, click, commission process. You create a helpful or inspiring pin that solves a problem. Someone searches Pinterest, finds your pin, and clicks it. That click takes them to a product page through your special affiliate link. If they buy, you earn a commission. You don't handle inventory. You don't deal with customer service. You're just the matchmaker connecting a person with the solution they were already looking for. And the best part, a single pin you create today can keep showing up in search results, generating clicks and commissions for months or even years. That's how you create a real passive income stream. This isn't about chasing viral trends, it's about building a long-term asset. Part 2, the 5-step blueprint. Alright, let's build this thing. I'm going to give you my personal 5-step blueprint. This is the exact process, in the exact order that I would follow. Step 1, find your profitable niche. This is the most critical step, and honestly, it's where most people mess up. You can't just pick something at random. Your niche has to hit 3 key things. First, you have to be genuinely interested in it. The secret to winning this game is consistency, and you're not going to stay consistent if you're bored out of your mind. If you love home decor, do that. If you're a fitness nut, go with that. When you promote what you know, you'll naturally create better content. Second, it must be visual. This is Pinterest after all. Niches like home organization, fashion, fitness gear, travel gadgets, beauty, and even personal finance are goldmines because they're easy to show off with cool images and videos. Third, it has to have affiliate potential. In other words, there have to be products you can actually sell. Some of the highest demand niches right now include personal finance and budgeting tools, health and wellness gear, tech gadgets, and beauty products. Here's a quick action step for you. Go to the Pinterest search bar right now and type in a broad topic you like. Let's say, home office. Look at the suggestions that pop up. Home office ideas, home office decor, home office organization. These are the exact phrases real people are searching for. Click on them. See what kind of pins are popular. Are they lists, tutorials? That's your market research. Spend 20 minutes doing this, and I guarantee you'll walk away with a handful of solid niche ideas. Step 2. Set up your business hub. Once you've got your niche, you need a home base. And no, you're not going to use your personal Pinterest account for this. You need a free Pinterest business account. Go to Pinterest.com and sign up specifically for a business account. It's free, and it unlocks game-changing features like analytics, the ability to claim a website, even a simple link page works, and access to ad tools you might want later. Think of your profile as your digital storefront. You have about 3 seconds to convince someone you're worth their time, so make it count. Profile photo. Use a clear headshot of you or a clean, simple logo. You can whip one up for free in Canva. Username. Make it reflect your niche. Something like minimalist home hacks or the gadget finder is perfect. Bio. This is prime keyword real estate. Think of it as the problem you solve, plus the solution you offer. For example, helping you create a stylish, organized home on a budget. Your source for home decor and DIY tips. Next, create your first 5 to 10 boards. Boards are how you organize your ideas. Be super specific. Don't just make a board called fitness. Make boards like home workouts for beginners, high protein meal prep, and best yoga mats of 2026. To get started, find and repin about 10 or 15 relevant pins from other creators to each board. This immediately tells the Pinterest algorithm what your account is all about. Step 3. Partner with brands. Find affiliate programs. Okay, niche is picked, hub is built, now you need products to promote. You do this by joining affiliate networks. They're basically giant marketplaces that connect you with thousands of brands. For beginners, especially if you don't have a website, these are the networks I'd start with. 1. Amazon Associates. It's the easiest to join and has millions of products. The commissions aren't always the highest, but people trust Amazon, which means they're more likely to buy. 2. ShareASale and Awin. These networks are loaded with brands in popular niches like fashion, home goods, and tech. They're generally pretty friendly to Pinterest-focused affiliates. 3. ClickBank. If your niche leans toward digital products like ebooks or online courses, check out ClickBank. The commission rates can be incredibly high. We're talking 50 to 75%. When you sign up, some networks might ask for a website. Don't panic. You can often just use a simple free link in bio page from a service like Linktree or Beacons as your website. It gives you one central link to manage everything and makes you look more professional to brands. Super important. Always, and I mean always, check the rules for each affiliate program. Some programs are totally fine with you linking directly from Pinterest, while others aren't. We'll talk about the workaround for that in just a second. Step 4. Create pins that actually convert. Now for the fun part, your pins have one job: stop the scroll and earn a click. You don't need to be a pro graphic designer, all you need is a free Canva account. Here are the unbreakable rules for a high converting pin. First, use the right size. Your pins have to be vertical. The sweet spot is a 2.3 ratio, or 1000 by 1500 pixels. Canva's Pinterest templates are already set up for this. Second, use high-quality visuals. Use bright, clear images, or short video clips that grab attention instantly. Third, add a bold text overlay. This is non-negotiable. Most people are scrolling on their phones. Your pin needs to scream what it's about without them having to think. Use a bold, easy-to-read font with titles like 5 kitchen gadgets you won't live without, or how to organize a tiny closet. Fourth, brand your pins. Add your username or a small logo to the bottom of every pin. It's a subtle way to build brand recognition over time. For every single affiliate product you promote, you should aim to create multiple different pin designs. Test different images, different headlines, different colors. One pin is rarely enough. The goal is to have multiple hooks in the water, giving you more chances to show up in search. Step 5. The AI-powered pinning strategy. This is where we put it all together with a modern, time-saving twist. You're going to use Pinterest for your keyword research and AI to handle the writing. First, head back to the Pinterest search bar. Type in your main product idea, like air fryer. Pay close attention to the keywords Pinterest suggests: air fryer recipes, air fryer chicken, healthy air fryer recipes. These are golden. This is what real people are actually searching for. Now, take those keywords and jump over to a free AI tool like ChatGPT. Give it a simple prompt. Write 5 engaging Pinterest titles and descriptions for a pin about a new air fryer. Use these keywords: healthy air fryer recipes, quick weeknight meals, easy cleanup. In seconds you'll have 5 different options to test. This saves a massive amount of time and helps optimize your pins for search right from the start. Now, let's post it. Go to your Pinterest account and click Create Pin. 1. Upload one of the pin designs you made in Canva. 2. Copy and paste your AI-generated title and description. 3. Now for the most important part, the link. Add your affiliate link in the destination link field. Pinterest has a feature to disclose affiliate links, which is the best and safest way to do it. If a program doesn't allow direct linking, you'd link to your Linktree or Beacons page where the product is listed. Whatever you do, never use shady link shorteners. That's a fast track to getting your account suspended. 4. Add the pin to your most relevant board and hit publish. Your strategy should be about consistency, not just volume. Aim to post between 5 and 15 high-quality, fresh pins every day. Quality and consistency will always beat spamming the platform. You can even use scheduling tools to plan these out so you're not glued to your phone all day. And that's it. That is the entire modern blueprint. Let's recap the 5 steps one more time. 1. Find a profitable niche you actually like. 2. Set up your optimized Pinterest business hub. 3. Partner with brands through affiliate networks. 4. Create scroll-stopping pins in Canva. 5. Use AI to power your keyword-driven pinning strategy. The biggest mistake you can make right now is getting stuck in analysis paralysis and never starting. The key to actually making money with this is to start. It will take time, and you might not see huge results for a few months, but every single pin you post is an asset that's working for you 24 hours a day. Consistency will beat perfection every single time. So, start today. Go pick your niche. I want you to comment below with the niche you're choosing to get started with. I read every single comment. And if you want more strategies like this to build your online business, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.